Oh yeah.
喂，你唔好以為你係靚仔就唔使俾錢喎。
Wait a minute. Is this undercooked?
That's just what authentic white-cut chicken is like, the Cantonese way, just like medium well steak.
Well, how about we steam it a little bit longer?
同埋鬆油雞、
How about we add a little bit of soy sauce then?
豉油雞、
How about a little salt?
鹽焗雞、
How about we get rid of all the bones?
壽司雞。
So, what exactly is white cut chicken?
Oh, it just so happens, I have it right here. This one has the authentic taste of the chicken.
And all this time, I just thought you could roast or fry chicken.
Foshan people have cooked chicken for thousands of years.
Thousands of years.
They know tons of cooking methods like simmering, frying, braising, stewing, stir frying. There's like all of it.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah, in Foshan, a big dinner is not complete without chicken, so come and try.
Ready?
Bon appetit!
Wow, that was some gourmet chicken.
Yeah, I'm really glad you like it. Cantonese people are really big fans of chicken. Guangdong is home to over 100 million people, but they eat 2 billion chickens a year.
That's a lot.
So there is a saying, 没有一只鸡能活着离开广东. So any comments on my cooking?
It was delicious.
Oh, you have to say 该有该美.
该有该美.
Oh, that's good. I'm Ruben.
I'm Lisa.
Laowai Wonder Why. See you next time.